We're doing a fake trading video. Those are my fidgets. These are also my fidgets, but yeah. So let's go. First, I'll start. I'm gonna add this giant mochi.
Guys, what should I add?
But this is a really good mochi. So do you think you could maybe add, please?
Yeah. Guys, she said it's really good, so I really need that mochi. I can add this patty.
Girl, that patty kind of stinks, not trying to be rude. But I guess I'll accept. You can feel it first, because I don't want to scam you. You can take it out of the packaging if you want.
I accept.
Can I feel it? These first? I guess I'll accept.
I can't believe I got this. My friends are going to be, so jealous, because my friend's been wanting this.
You can start.
Okay, I'm going to put this dumpling.
Oh my gosh, no way. I'm going to add this pink fidget ball. Okay, so, yeah, now we're fidget trading again. My phone just died. Okay.
Add this dumpling.
I'm going to add this basketball. It's $20.
Yeah, but it's a dumpling.
It's fake. And see, it's popped.
No, it's not. Add.
I'm going to decline. Okay, now it's my turn to start out. I'm going to start out with my pepper squish. This is viral.
Oh. I'll add slime.
Girl, that slime sucks and smells like butt cheeks. Add.
I'll add this.
Can you add, please?
Yes, anything for the pepper. This.
Can you add?
I'll add this.
Can you add still?
You know what? Decline.
What about this? I'll trade you, since my pepper's more viral than your dumpling and it's real and your dumpling's fake, if you add your dumpling and you add a few other things, I'll accept.
Okay.
Add a few good things, please.
Okay, I'll add.
Maybe you could add my mochi back.
That. I'll add that. And this.
This, can you add something else for it?
Yeah. I'll add this slinky chin.
Accept.
Yes.
Okay, that's part 1. Bye, love y'all.